Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today because today I am sharing with you a perfect recipe for the overnight face mask, but the mask that is great for acne prone skin. My video of overnight face masks has been very popular and I have decided that making something for acne prone skin is just a must. Well, what is an overnight face mask? It's a mask that you apply before going to bed and then you remove it only the next day. But this type of mask I'm going to prepare right now is absolutely light, it's not heavy, and it's safe for acne prone skin. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, so you're always up to date with all the videos. I am making the videos of DIY recipes and also tips about healthy lifestyle. Besides for its anti-acne properties, this mask will help to renew the skin cells and plump up the skin, right? But also encourage collagen production and will help you to nourish the skin because it is really very rich in the nutrients. So now I'm going to mix everything here in a glass container, but actually I have just thought that if you have an old container of, let's say, the sanitizer, like the pump bottle, you could easily use that. So for the recipe we shall go ahead and add aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel, please try to find the product that is as natural as it's possible because sometimes it even contains alcohol, something irritating. You do not want to put it on your skin, especially on the sensitive skin and acne prone skin. For the recipe we shall need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. So it's a gel, so sometimes it's not very easy to squeeze it. It's not sometimes very simple to squeeze it out of the bottle. So 1, I believe that's 2, and that's 3. We're going to have 1 ounce of this recipe, and I have here 1 ounce jar. I also have a little wooden spatula here because I would recommend you to get something like this, so every time you just not put your fingers in there to get the stuff out, but to use something else so we don't contaminate it with the germs. The next ingredient I'm going to use is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is great for sensitive skin and acne prone skin too, and what's great about it is that it will not aggravate or cause your acne. We shall need it in the amount of 1 teaspoon. Once you've added that, we'll definitely need to mix everything up, and then the rest of the ingredients are going to be essential oils. Well, essential oils, I understand sometimes you do not have them on hand right now, but the oils I'm going to use, and if you have acne prone skin, I think it's really a great idea to always have them on hand because they are very useful for acne prone skin. So we shall need, the first essential oil I'm going to use is the geranium essential oil. We'll need it in the amount of 8 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. The next oil, obviously, I actually should have started with it, would be the tea tree essential oil. This is my must-have essential oil, and we'll need it in the amount of 4 drops. Right, the next ingredient is the lavender essential oil, and it will be in the amount of 6 drops. Right. So, believe it or not, we are done. If you do not want to use this as the overnight mask, I would say that it would be great as the anti-blemish gel. You could use it just in the areas where you want to treat the pimples, or perhaps on the oily T-zone, or just pretty much any area you want to have a treatment. So you mix everything thoroughly and it becomes very, very nice consistency, and the way you're going to use it, you will get a small amount, put it on your face. I'm putting it on my hand right now, and you let it sort of dry a little bit. Don't put too much, you know, so you could spread it evenly, and once it dry, you're really free to go to sleep and enjoy your perfect sleep, I hope. The next morning you will need to wash your face as usual and just proceed with your regular skincare routine. I would say you would really admire your fresh looking skin. I hope you will go ahead and make this DIY recipe. It's a great recipe to have on hand for acne prone skin, and it's a great idea to have a little glass jar because we have essential oils here and it's perfect to store it in here. So again, Don't try to just put your fingers in there, and every time you're preparing a DIY recipes, everything must be clean, the jar, the hands of course, so we make sure our recipe is safe to use. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support and attention. Please go ahead and prepare this recipe and share your results, and maybe you have some tips already. Maybe you want to add some ingredients that were helpful for your acne-prone skin. I appreciate your support and attention. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will be very happy to see you in my next video.